Prove that cosecant 2a plus cot 2a equals to cot a. What is LHS part? Cosecant 2a plus cot 2a. So cosecant theta. What is the cosecant theta formula? Cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta. Cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. And cot theta. Cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. So cosecant 2a plus cot 2a. So cosecant 2a means 1 by cos, 1 by sin 2a. 1 by sin 2a. Cot 2a means 1 by tan 2a. Okay, that equals to 1 by sin 2a. Sin 2 theta formed in terms of tan theta. Okay, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 by tan 2a. 2 tan theta. I mean theta here a is there, right? A. 2 tan a. 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. So 1 by 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a is 1 plus tan square a by 2 tan a. Plus this is also 1 by 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. So 1 minus tan square a by 2 tan a. Observe that here 2 tan a is the LCM. Now numerators 1 plus tan square a plus 1 minus tan square a. 1 plus tan square a, 1 minus tan square a. So minus tan square a plus tan square a cancel. So 2 plus, see now 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 by 2 tan a. 2 by 2 tan a. So now 2 in one time. So 1 by tan a. 1 by tan a. 1 by tan a value how much? 1 by tan theta is cot theta. 1 by tan a is cot a, which equals to RHS. Therefore cosecant 2a plus cot 2a equals to cot a.